Tile roofs are other roof materials that possess durable and beautiful characteristics. These materials are expensive and heavy, with expected to last for over 100 years. Traditional roofing tiles are made from slate or fired clay, but in modern construction, roofing tiles were made from molded, tinted concrete. Tile roofs come in a huge variety of shapes, from curved, flat, fluted, or interlocking, and a lot more. There's a lot of tile styles to choose from to match your aesthetic theme. In this article, we're going to discuss some designs that will perfectly fit your house. This will help you determine what will be right for your house. Spanish tiles is the classic southwest roof. This will home a distinctive that will complement many different houses. Spanish style is a weatherproof material that can stand up to bad weather and can prevent damage caused by insects, small animals, pests, and rodents. Scandia tiles is similar to Spanish tiles that are structurally based on Northern European styles. It is designed for easy customization. Naturally, they give the appearance of sharp vertical ridges. It has a distinctive and subtle roof appearance that is suitable for a wide range of architectural styles. Double Roman tiles. Another resemblance from Spanish tiles. A typical interlocking concrete tile with a unique Roman profile. This type of tiles is often used in Mediterranean architecture. The availability of color will blend naturally with any environment. Concrete is often the most pick when it comes to double Roman tiles, but they are also available in clay and terracotta. Flat shake tiles is the most affordable concrete roof tile material. It also produces a variety of color that will match to your home's exterior. These kinds of roofs have relatively flat and readily adapt to almost any architectural style. Pantile roof tiles. Another fired roof tile, usually made from clay tile that formed into S-shaped in profile, resulting to create a ripple appearance. Pantiles are lightweight than most other tiles, and also low-cost point roof materials. Barrel tiles is a good choice for a curved roof. It is a semi-cylindrical tile like Spanish and Roman. Barrel tiles are considered one of the expensive materials for your roofs because of their unusual design and higher curved. The design of barrel tile allows withstanding to the areas and location that is prone to extreme hail. In addition, the design also optimized airflow to prevent mold or rot buildup underneath the tiles. These are some styles you can choose for your roofs. Clay roof tiling provides every user a durable and aesthetically pleasant exterior. With the durability that can last a century and the beautiful features that come with a huge variety of colors and shape that will bring elegance to your house. Aside from these, a tile roof may only require minimal maintenance that makes viable options compared to other roofing materials. At Ranchos, tile, metal, and flat, any roof repair or roof problem, we can handle them. Our professional installation and inspection can give you free estimations. We can help you build your house. Just let us know what you are thinking, and we'll deliver it into life. We have a team of professionals that can work on your roof project, which will glad to give you some advice and recommendation about what is right for your roof. Call our office today at 844-902-1832 to book an appointment for free inspections. We offer free estimations and inspection with no obligation required.